My name is James A. Burden, DDS, and I have a practice here in Williamsburg, Virginia. The reason you or anybody else should be concerned about keeping healthy teeth and gums is because your teeth and gums are not disconnected from the other parts of your body. If you have bleeding gums, it means that they're not healthy. And the same thing, like if you had a bleeding arm, would you let it go? You can't let those parts of your body go. And if you have healthy teeth and gums, there's plenty of diseases that you're less prone to, because people with diseases usually do have gum disease, other problems, because the bacteria in your mouth get into the gum pockets or things like that actually and will affect your body. But if you have healthy teeth and gums, it just makes it so that the rest of your body is healthy. We find that people who floss, take good care of their teeth, they tend to be healthy all around. What sets this practice apart from other practices? That we look at the whole mouth. I've had over 30 years experience. I've seen all different types of dentistry. I know what works and what doesn't work. And my staff are trained, and we know what to look for. And our whole idea is to get people to have healthy mouth for the rest of their life. That's my goal. If I can do that for somebody, then we've succeeded. And the way to do that is we start out with doing a periodontal evaluation, check their gums to health, make sure that's good. Once we get the foundation, then we can find out any other problems and deal with those. But it's just building on things. And the difference between us is I do all different facets of dentistry. So because I have a knowledge in orthodontics, implants, different type full mouth reconstruction, all on 4 cases, anything in doing dentistry, we can do it pretty much here.
My name is Amy Eveland. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the Smile Group. We have practices in West Point, Matthews, and Chesapeake. What you're going to find when you walk in either one of those offices is smiling staff who truly care about your oral health and your health in general. And that's just the attitude that they're going to have. They're going to be laid back atmospheres, so that there's no need to worry about your treatment. They're going to take really good care of you. There's no doubt about that. And another big thing that we like to do is to take care of our communities. You will see our names out there in the community benefiting any type of charity that needs our help. But most importantly, we're going to take care of you, and we'll take care of our community.
I've had plenty of patients that come in that they don't want to go to the dentist. They have a lot of fear, and we offer sedation. We can sedate the patients so they're more comfortable. And after they're done, they get to the point where they can just get a cleaning and get fillings done, and they don't even have to get sedated anymore. And their smile is, it's like a totally different person. They might even notice it, that after they get their teeth done, they walk differently, dress differently, and we have plenty of patients that happens to.
So my name is Amy Masonette. I'm the office manager for Dr. James Burden and Associates in Williamsburg. So when you come to our office, if you're nervous, we have several different options to make you comfortable. Number one, if you're cold, because our assistants love to be back there and freeze Dr. Burden out, but we do have blankets to make you comfortable. We have neck pillows for you if you need assistance with that. We have ear pods here, so if you don't want to hear the noises that are going around, we'll give you a pair of earbuds and you can plug it in your phone and listen to your music. We also have TVs in some of the rooms so that we can play for you if you're interested in watching something. And we offer water or anything that you absolutely need, just ask. And our assistants are right there with you to help you out through anything.
One of the things that we do to manage patients' pain is we use topical anesthetics. We do whatever we can to maybe introduce the anesthetic slowly so that something gets numb, and then we can give them more later. And we make sure that you're numb. If you feel anything, we're gonna get you so you don't feel anything, because the last thing you want to do is hurt a patient. Throughout my career, I tried to learn all the different facets of dentistry so I could understand, and this way I could treat any kind of dental disease. And the advantage that I have compared to a lot of other dentists that we just we're able to treat everything here. I mean, whether it's a filling, a cleaning, a root canal, implants, extraction, sedation, it's all done here. And then a lot of people like that because they don't have to get thrown from one dentist to another. And it just makes it for, it's a more pleasant experience. These days we see a lot of different corporate dentistry out there. We have like Aspen, Heartland, Clear Choice. One of my goals was to kind of try to stay away from that because I'm part of this community. These big corporations, they're nationwide. They don't really have any tie to that community. I've been here since 1992. I'm not going anywhere. My staff has been with me. I have plenty of staff that started with me even back in 92 when I started. And we really have a culture. We try to make patients happy, comfortable. We try to make it, try to make it as fun as experience as possible. I know nobody really loves going to the dentist, but we try to make it as painless and as fun as possible.
When you walk into any one of our offices, you're going to hear laughter. We're not one of those stuffy offices that play classical music, and I hear that quite often, that people enjoy walking in and they hear music that was playing on their radio. And we like to joke and laugh around, with each other and staff, to be honest with you. Everyone in our office, they feel at home here. We're all one big family. Patients walk in and feel a part of the family, and we want you to feel part of the family. That's what our goal is.
So with our office, we try to set ourselves aside from any other dental office because it's very important to us to be above and beyond anything else in the area. And we know that there are some places that may not stand by their work, but we do. And when you come in here and you have your dental treatment done, we want you to be happy. We want you to walk out of here satisfied and healthy. And that's our biggest goal. And we want to maintain that through our community, and we want to be the best at it. One of the things we do here is major work, such as crowns and bridges, and we stand by our work. We offer a 5-year warranty for our crowns and bridges, and for our dentures and partials, we offer a 1-year warranty on those services.
I'm somebody who really wants to help people and help this community around me. Basically, if someone asks me for help, we're going to do something to help them. I have one staff member that I have, all she does is go around the community and try to help people and see what we can do to make things better. Williamsburg is a beautiful area, and we want to keep it that way and make it better. My kids grew up here. I've been here pretty much most of my life now, and it's a great place to live, and I really want to give back for what I've got. And I'm someone who really likes to be active even in my life, and that's why I'm who I am as far as working. When I work, I work like I play. I want to be the best at what I do, and the people that I've put around me are the best at what they do. My associates, I'm grooming them to be just like me, and that's really what our goal is, to make this practice the best it can be.